Doctors have found out how to cure a cold in 24 hours. 6 steps that will help a cold to recover faster than usual. Not getting sick for once during the year, especially when everyone around you is sneezing and coughing, is a real magic. But if you are not a magician, then the main thing is to take the necessary measures at the first signs of a cold and, voila, you are healthy. The following 6 steps will help not only strengthen the immune system, but also overcome an acute cold within 24 hours. Drink more fluids. It is very important to drink enough clean water. It is necessary that the body is well hydrated. Even the simple advice will effectively eliminate many symptoms. Water. Add half a teaspoon of sea salt to a glass of warm water and gargle. This procedure soothes pain, washes away mucus. Contrast shower. His method works wonders. It stimulates blood circulation and reduces swelling in the throat and paranasal sinuses. The water vapor that is formed helps to further flush the sinuses. It is important that the water is really cold. Tea with ginger and turmeric. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Brew tea from these 2 roots and drink during the day. Do not eat in the evening. The body uses night rest to restore and recharge its vitality. Therefore, if you eat after 20 hours, the forces will go to digestion, not to healing. Increase the number of hours of sleep until midnight. If you have a cold, you should go to bed, for example, at 21 or 22 hours. As experts promise, you will notice the positive effect of early bedtime in a few nights.